back to my channel. Sorry for the voice, you guys already know the story, and if you guys are watching my video for the first time and wondering what's going on over here, then my birthday series is going on in this channel, and yes, I am uploading new videos every single day till 11th April, so you'll get something new to see every single day. And if you guys are following me since long time, you guys already know I wear contact lenses. If you guys want to know more about contact lenses, I have done a separate video like question and answers related contact lenses. If you are wondering to buy, just go and watch that. And if you guys want to learn how to wear and remove contact lenses, I have a separate video of that as well. I'll put everything in the description box. Okay, so as girls have a lot of problems of long nails, and due to long nails we can put the lens inside our eyes but we can't remove the lens, क्योंकि वो डर रहता है कि वो nails से वो lens खराब ना हो जाए, वो scratch ना हो जाए. There are a lot of things, so I figured out a simple trick. Yes, I saw a video on 5-minute crafts. I'll put the video over here if I get it. In that, what the person does is that remove the lens with the help of earbuds. So even we'll be trying that today here in this video. So I am hoping this works, and if this works, this is really an amazing thing for several girls like me who always are scared to scratch the lens only due to long nails. So it is really hectic. So yes, without wasting time, let's go into the video. Okay, so for earbuds I am using this earbuds, the normal earbuds जो हम लोग कान के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. So for this we'll need 2 earbuds. यार ये बहुत scary है. Oh shit, wait, I'll get my lens का डब्बा. Okay, so I have got this, and first we'll remove the left one. I'll just keep this open over here. Okay, it's really scary. I'll use both the hands. Wow. निकल गया. Yes, it took time, but guys wonder I am doing it without mirror. मैं कैमरा के स्क्रीन के फ्लैप से मैंने निकाला. Shit. Yes, it took little time, but it's amazing. Damn. Okay, now I know the trick. Damn. Okay, so now the point over here is कि first time करते हैं तो थोड़ा problem होता है ये, but it doesn't hurt. Yes, it doesn't hurt at all. It is really easy. हाथ से करते हैं वैसा ही है. Just use 2 hands. वो लोग एक finger से करते हैं, वो लोग एक ही हाथ से करते हैं I guess. But yes, हम लोग pro नहीं है, हम लोग 2 हाथ से कर लेते हैं. But it is really easy. Like निकल गया. You saw I did it on camera. So yes, it is pretty easy. Just try it out and grow your nails long. Yes, for the people, at least for the people who need someone else to remove lens only because they have long nails, so the hectic is over. You have the solution now, and I'm really happy with the solution. Like yes, this is really life savior. Do hit like to this video if this video you find it useful, and I personally find it really useful. So do hit like, and yes, do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You'll get something new to see every single day till 11th April. Yes, that was all for today. Bye bye, see you in next video. Share with your friends and family and everyone who wear contact lenses and want to grow their nails. Yes, bye bye.